Welcome to China Connect. We're your fun passport to China's best, living, traveling, working, and more. Dive in, explore, and discover China now. Let's go! In today's video, we'll be delving deep into how not crowded has become the consensus for many tourists during this year's Dragon Boat Festival. Young people are traveling longer distances and spending more time enjoying richer and more novel experiences. Cultural tourism and summer resorts have become the hottest ways to play during this festive period. So, grab your zongzi, and let's dive right in. During the Dragon Boat Festival long weekend, major scenic spots in the mainland competed to launch interesting new experiences and experiential learning travel themes to attract tourists. Shenzhen, for example, saw various locations hosting creative festivals where overseas Chinese youth from Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Macau gathered to make zongzi and incense bags, truly experiencing the rich cultural heritage behind traditional Chinese festivals. The creative festivals in Shenzhen offered a wide range of activities, including traditional calligraphy workshops, art installations, and performances by local musicians and dancers. These immersive experiences allowed tourists to not only appreciate the beauty of traditional Chinese culture but also to take part in it themselves. Many tourists are also keen on participating in themed experiential activities such as handmade 5-color rope weaving, wormwood collection, and incense bag making to celebrate the Dragon Boat Festival. To beat the summer heat, rafting and water parks have become hotspots, with search volumes for these activities skyrocketing on online platforms. Theme parks and resorts have also upped their game, offering special promotions and events to draw in visitors looking for a fun and refreshing escape from the summer heat. In Xi'an, the cultural and tourism feast during the Dragon Boat Festival includes various traditional folk experience activities, allowing tourists to immerse themselves in the customs and culture of the region. The ancient city of Xi'an offers a wide range of cultural sites, from Huangqing Palace to the Shaoyan Pagoda, all hosting unique events and activities for visitors to enjoy. The city also boasts a range of historical museums and galleries, where tourists can learn about the fascinating history of the Silk Road, the Terracotta Warriors, and the Tang Dynasty. In Zhejiang Province, themed homestays like Anji Zhilao Homestay are offering a unique awareness natural heart tour for guests who seek a tranquil getaway close to nature. Designed and guided by the homestay's owner Yang Dan, the tour includes outdoor activities such as bamboo forest exploration, camping picnics, yoga, and tea art courses. Guests can enjoy these immersive experiences over the 2-day, 1-night itinerary, which has proven popular among young people from neighboring cities like Shanghai, Hangzhou, and Jiangsu. Outdoor enthusiasts can also explore other scenic spots within Zhejiang, such as Mogan Mountain and Wui Mountain. These destinations have launched homestay tours featuring hiking, camping, and Zen tea experiences to attract tourists looking for a more mindful and slow-paced travel experience. The West Lake in Hangzhou was bustling with activity during the Dragon Boat Festival, with tourists flocking to the scenic area to enjoy the beautiful landscape and cultural activities on offer. The number of tourists admitted to West Lake Scenic Area reached 90,000, which was close to the level of last year's National Day Golden Week. Major scenic spots around West Lake, such as Yufei's Temple, Lingyin Temple, Prince Bay Park, West Lake Park, and Hangzhou Botanical Garden, were fully open during the festival. The peony blossom season, coinciding with the Dragon Boat Festival, added an extra layer of charm to the surroundings. Visitors could participate in peony flower viewing activities and enjoy the picturesque landscape of peach blossoms, green willows, and wooden boats on the lake. Cultural and creative activities were also a highlight of West Lake during the festival. Young tourists gathered at Lotus Bridge, one of the most famous scenic spots by West Lake, to make incense bags together. Various parent-child interactive activities could be seen around the lake, contributing to the lively and festive atmosphere. To enrich tourists' West Lake experience, major scenic spots around the area launched night tours, outdoor camping, and cycling around the lake during the holiday. Despite some scenic spots offering discounted or free tickets during the Dragon Boat Festival, visitors were more than happy to pay regular prices for the opportunity to enjoy the stunning scenery of West Lake. Yunnan, known for its unique plateau scenery and profound ethnic culture, has also embraced experiential tourism. During the Dragon Boat Festival, Yunnan's cultural and creative boutique tourism products, which combine plateau scenery, folk customs, and gourmet food, have become increasingly popular, particularly among young tourists. Products such as food culture experience tours, farmhouse music festivals, and plateau pasture BBQs have captured the hearts of many young visitors. Yunnan's diverse ethnic communities offer tourists a chance to experience unique cultural traditions, from the Bai people's architectural style and the Naxi people's Dongba script to the colorful clothing and dances of the Yi and Miao people. With so much cultural richness to explore, it's no wonder that young travelers are flocking to Yunnan during the Dragon Boat Festival. Industry experts believe that the popularity of experiential tourism and boutique tourism reflects new trends in consumption habits and tourism needs of young people in the mainland. They are more focused on high-quality leisure experiences and in-depth local culture understanding, which calls for innovative tourism products that cater to these desires. Tourism enterprises need to further integrate high-quality natural scenery and cultural resources, combine trendy elements such as music, art, and food, and shape a distinctive brand and style to provide tourists with a more memorable travel experience. During this year's Dragon Boat Festival, major scenic spots in the mainland actively innovated tourism products and launched rich experiential activities to attract tourists. Tourists are now paying more attention to not crowded destinations and travel modes, leading to the popularity of experiential tourism products such as boutique homestays, countryside tours, and gourmet tours that can avoid congestion. With people's increasing demand for leisure and cultural experiences, innovative and high-quality characteristic tourism products integrating natural scenery, cultural experiences, and trendy elements will usher in greater development opportunities. In conclusion, the Dragon Boat Festival is an incredibly vibrant and exciting time to explore China's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. As more and more young people seek unique and immersive experiences, the tourism industry must continue to innovate and adapt to these changing desires. The popularity of cultural tourism and summer resorts during the Dragon Boat Festival is a testament to the power of authentic, engaging, and memorable travel experiences. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our in-depth exploration of cultural tourism and summer resorts during the Dragon Boat Festival. Thanks for exploring China with us. Smash that like button, comment, and share. Subscribe for more and drop your questions or ideas below. Together, let's showcase this amazing nation. Catch you in the next video.